Yeah, Jason here from Off-Road Living. Want to introduce our chassis mount lithium iron phosphate batteries from AllSpark. So I'll show you the 200 amp hour revision of our battery. There she is. AllSpark chassis mount batteries are available in 12 volt models in 200 amp hour, 300 amp hour, 400 amp hour sizes. It's also available in 24 volt, 200 amp hour size. It's also available in a 48 volt, 100 amp hour. Stainless steel, powder coated construction, chassis mounted underneath the tray in your vehicle, or it can go internally as well if required. As you can see on all four sides of the battery, you've got these mounting rails as well, threaded fixing points, M10 fixings, all the way around. On all four sides there's two mounting rails, so you can fix that underneath your caravan. 100% waterproof, IP67 rating, Bluetooth monitoring and control. Connect it to your app, show you all the state of charge, volts, amps, power, cell voltages. Turn the battery on and off from the app as well if you need to isolate it. Comes with a matching 250 amp EV connector, so it's fully waterproof as well, and all the contacts. This one connects through to your system components, and if you wanted to connect up another battery in parallel, you can connect up through the second port. Solid and secure. This is a battery that can be put through the most rugged extremes of conditions across the country. Click the link below, get yours today.